Once a jackal, wandering without care, fell into a vat of dye left there. In that deep jar he lingered for a while, then rose anew, adorned in brilliant style. His fare now shone with green, red, and gold, a coat no forest creature yet had told. With pride he strutted, "Behold my lovely state, a peacock now, refined and truly great." The other jackals, playing in cold and shade, stared in awe at what his form displayed. They cried, "Oh brother, what has happened here? Why walk apart from us with royal cheer? What pride is this? Why scorn our lowly band? From what high dream did you receive command?" One wise jackal stepped and questioned so, "Tell us, friend, what caused this vibrant glow? Are you bewitched or drunk with joy or fame, to climb a pulpit just to stake your claim?" But the jackal, bathed in colors bold and bright, struck the air with pride and mocked the sight. "Look upon me now, this radiant hue, no either rivals me, nor skies so blue. A garden I have become, a fragrant flame. Fall and bow to me, proclaim my name. Behold my lustre, wonder at my hue. Call me the glory of the world, if true. A sign of divine favor I have become, the page on which God's majesty is written. Come, O jackals, cease from calling me your kin. Could a jackal bear such grace within?" Then gathered all the jackals, young and old, drawn to him like moths to flame and gold. They asked, "Pray tell us, being rare and high, what are you now beneath the painted sky?" He said, "I am the peacock of the spheres, bright as Mercury among the stars appears." They said, "The peacocks of the garden shine, their beauty born where flowers entwine. Do you display such grace, such art?" He said, "No, how to boast of a road I've not crossed?" They said, "But peacocks in the garden bloom, with grace and song they banish gloom. Can you too sing like them at dawn?" He sighed and said, "My voice is gone." They said, "Then you are not what you proclaim, not peacock, not of that celestial flame. The peacock's robe descends from heaven's height, not from a vat of colors overnight. No paint, no claim, no boastful lie can bring you wings with which to fly." You've drunk from a cup that is empty and vain, yet you mimic the wise who are drunk without a stain. You sweeten your life with a dream and a lie, puffing yourself like a cloud in the sky. But a single small needle will pop all that pride, leaving nothing but cold, empty silence inside. No wise man would wish for a soul filled with air, a greatness so hollow, a weight of despair. You shape your jars from snow in winter's cold. How can they last when water's truth unfold?